Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading a clean, high-resolution photo into Gemini so edits read clearly. This matters because upscaling hides noise. Once imported, set the color space to sRGB for web or Adobe RGB for print, and enable RAW preview when possible. Now make a non-destructive duplicate layer. Work on the duplicate so you can revert. You also create a small global exposure and white balance pass to normalize tones before jumping into selective edits. This saves time and preserves highlight detail. You now refine details using Gemini's selective tools, paint masks around the subject, and use radial masks for faces or light. Once done, apply object-aware sharpening to edges and reduce noise selectively. This keeps skin natural while preserving texture. Then adjust the tone curve to add contrast and use HSL to boost or mute colors. For example, slightly lift blues and reduce green saturation. Make sure to check mask feathering and opacity so transitions look seamless, not painted on. You complete the edit by applying a subtle global vignette or dodge and burn to focus attention, then flatten a working copy for export. Export with JPEG quality around 85, sRGB for online, and use output sharpening for web. Also save a lossless TIFF if you need future tweaks. Once exported, compare before and after at 100% and on a mobile device. If you see halos or banding, lower local clarity. Reduce aggressive dehaze or decrease saturation in problem areas. This usually fixes artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.